I'm giving $100 cash to anybody who can read a tape measure. No gimmicks, no games. The only stipulation is you only have 5 seconds to read it. Just pull the tape, check the mark, 17 5/8, win $100. So as you can see, we're at the depot, which should have competent tape measure readers. Let's go see if we can find anyone to read it. That's a badass truck, dude.
Thank you.
Want to take a shot at $100?
What is that?
All you gotta do is read a tape measure and be on my video.
A measure tape? Yes.
Yeah, you get 5 seconds. I got a mark on it. You just gotta read it.
What I need to read?
The tape.
Whatever measure you do?
Whatever measurement's on there.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'm John.
Jorge.
Jorge?
Yes.
Awesome to meet you, man. You ready?
Yes.
Set, go.
17, 18, no. Oh, you have to tell me which mark. Like this?
It's the front. You're always reading the front, right?
Okay.
Okay, it was a good effort though. Yeah, well, if I put one single mark, it's gonna be really hard to see. But I see your point there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know, like.
All right, I'll mark it off a little bit better for the next guy.
I thought it just was a single mark.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's it's a single mark, so you can.
Yeah, it's 17.
You usually read. Yeah.
No, 9/16, I'm sorry.
No, it's 5/8. You were right the first time. See, so people will get it. You guys have a good day. The last guy knew how to read it. I guess my directions weren't very clear. I'm on a journey to see how many people that go to Home Depot can actually read a tape measure. You interested? Oh man.
You seem a little intimidated.
Yeah, I mean, I'm this huge dude walking around a parking lot asking if they want $100. I feel like I'm selling Girl Scout cookies. Oh, here's a guy. He's in a van. He should probably know what he's doing. Hey man.
Yeah.
You want a chance of making $100?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You just got to read a tape measure.
I'm good.
What's wrong with you? Well, that didn't go as well as I thought. Here's another guy. Gentlemen, would either one of you like to take a crack at winning $100? No? It's pretty easy.
No shit. Can't read tape measure, in trouble.
But it's easy, $100. No gimmick.
Right.
No, not for you? This is when I quickly realized that actually finding people was going to be the hardest part of the day. $100. Can you read a tape? No? You sure?
No, I'm not even messing around right now.
What? Striking out pretty hard here so far. I think they think I don't have any money maybe, so maybe I'll show them the money.
I gotta go, man.
Damn, everyone's busy.
$100?
All you gotta do is read the tape measure.
I'm good, man.
You're sure? What?
Company might not like that.
They don't like you reading tape?
Not that one.
No, oh, so you're with a competitor.
Yeah.
Striking out left and right. I mean, we are here during the work day, so like it's gonna be trades professionals here for the most part. Question for you guys.
Yeah.
Wanna make $100? All you gotta do is read the tape measure.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll read the tape measure for $100.
You ready? All right,
Yeah.
so you got 5 seconds.
All right.
There's a piece of electrical tape on the tape measure.
All right.
You're just reading the front measurement.
All right.
Okay? Hold on, I gotta get my timer out. You gotta hold the tape.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Set?
Yeah.
Go.
18 inches.
Nope.
What is it? Let me look.
He was quick though. He was quick. It was 17 5/8.
Well,
Front of the mark.
well, look, here, I didn't know was you going there. You ain't tell me what side of the tape.
I did say the front of the mark.
You're just reading the front measurement.
I did say the front of the mark, right?
That was a trick question.
Well, the
I
front.
know how to read a tape measure.
You sure about that?
So it's the pressure, right?
No, it wasn't the pressure. You want me to read the end of it?
Well, no, I mean, we're good. The 5 seconds is up. You gave it a good shot, man. It was awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's it.
You got me in the, with my $100.
You didn't read it.
Man, take me off that tape, man.
He was very angry.
We're getting a kind of like a very unexpected response. 2 guys have tried, but one got really pissed.
Take me off that tape, man.
Even though I said, the front of the mark. I know when I'm grumpy, I love going to talk to somebody. Most of the time, I can get it off my chest. Which is why I'm super pumped to tell you about this week's sponsor, BetterHelp. Now, if you're like me, you are probably dealing with a whole bunch of stuff going on in your life. I've got kids, I've got a marriage, I've got employees, I got this business, I got all kinds of stuff going on. And that leads to a ton of stress and anxiety for me personally. Nothing helps me more than being able to talk it out with somebody else, which is why BetterHelp is an amazing opportunity for those of you who are like me and just want somebody to talk to about the difficult things in your life. You see, one of the more difficult aspects of dealing with a therapist is the fact you gotta find one in your local area, get off your butt, go there and talk to them. BetterHelp eliminates all of that. By filling out a simple questionnaire, you can get paired in a couple days with an awesome therapist and do everything remotely. It's at your own pace with no pressure, which is why I think BetterHelp is an awesome opportunity if you're dealing with the stuff that I'm dealing with. Just nice to have somebody to talk to. If you're feeling a little grumpy or like you want to get something off your chest, check out BetterHelp. There's a link down in the description. I'm super excited they partnered with us again because I think they're doing great things for the world. Thank you, BetterHelp. Now we're gonna boogie on up to Lowe's, see if we can find some other people. Okay, so we're switching spots. We're at Lowe's now. The Home Depot crowd was just miserable, and it's a work day, it's the morning. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show them an example where I've put an arrow on it, and then we have our actual tape with a mark. Hopefully it alleviates some of the confusion, one, and two, we can give some people some damn money. It's such a different crowd. I'm literally just alone. There's nobody here. Ghost town. Hey boss, can I ask you a question? Curious to see how many people show up at Lowe's and Home Depot and stuff and can read a tape. All right. And just as an example, you're looking for a mark just like that, okay? The arrow's pointing to the measurement. It's no games, no gimmicks. All right. The only thing is you have 5 seconds.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
17 and 5/8.
Ding, ding, ding. You're our first dude. It was that easy, is it not? Yeah, oh my goodness. You'd be surprised. Here you go, bud. Thank you so much. Hell yeah.
That's it?
That's it. Dude, you'd be blown away by how many people don't want to try. We've had at least 10 people say no. That's it.
Can't read a tape measure.
We got away. Yeah, that took me long enough. He's probably pumped. This guy looks suspicious as hell. We're gonna give it a shot. If you can read a tape measure, I'll give you $100. No gimmicks.
If I can read a tape measure?
If you can read this tape measure, there's a mark on it, $100.
Okay.
You got 5 seconds.
Yeah,
He's cheating anyway, because he knows me.
yeah.
Ready, go.
17 and 3 5/8.
Oh, you still f***ed it up, dude. You're lucky I know you. Jason didn't get it. I'm curious to see how many people can actually read a tape. You got 5 seconds, that's all.
All right. I do things different.
You do?
I read 16ths as heavy or light.
The measure is not a 16th.
Okay.
So, what do you got to lose? Dude, nicer people at Lowe's for sure. You ready?
Yeah.
Set, go ahead.
It is 17 and 5/8.
Nailed it.
Easy money.
Well under 5 seconds, my friend. $100.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Yeah, so I got a YouTube channel. My name's John Malecki. Just check me out. We're local guys. We do content, we build stuff. We have, a lot of fun just making cool shit.
Problem is that nobody knows how to do anything. And we read down to the 16th.
Yep. Yeah, so that would have been heavy because I left the line visible.
Right.
Yeah. All right, 2 winners. Let's go. Lowe's might be smarter than Home Depot. I think the intelligence level might be based around the fact that there's way less people here and no one's out here bothering anyone except for me.
This seems bitter at Home Depot too.
Bitter. You want to try to read a tape measure for $100?
No thank you.
No gimmicks, no games. That's all.
No, you're freaking me out. Now I'm afraid I can't read one.
Have a good one. Would you like to try and read a tape measure for $100?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. People hate me.
Oh, I don't want to run the video.
All right, we're on to hour 3. We only have 2 winners. The interesting metric is how many people aren't willing to try.
Le who? The her.
And this is harder than I thought it was gonna be. So you saw our last winner was checking out my merch, and this is our brand new comfortable fit, what we're calling our Stealth Builder logo tee. Snag one of these up. They are brand new on the website. It's the best way to support the channel. And now let me go see if I can find anyone else.
Good to go.
Hell yeah. All right.
What do I do?
You're just gonna pull it out and read it. There's a mark on there, you'll see. It's easy. Ready, set, go.
17 and 5/8.
Nailed it. 4 seconds, right under the 5. Congratulations, brother.
Oh, thank you. Not a gimmick.
Not a gimmick at all. Yeah. Check out my YouTube channel. I appreciate you, man. My name's John Malecki.
Yeah.
And the best part about it is he can go buy whatever he was trying to buy now just because he can read a tape. Since we added the arrow, we're 3 for 4. That guy, he was almost at 5 seconds though. He was at like 4.75. So it's still hard, but it's not that hard, right? If you can read this tape measure, I'll give you $100. That's all it is.
Where's that video gonna go?
YouTube.
Oh, better not.
Now, we've built a little bit of confidence. We've got $400 at Lowe's.
No, I suck at math.
Let's go back to Home Depot, see if the crowd's loosened up a little bit, maybe got some lunch in them, and see if we can get some winners down there. Okay, so we waited a few hours. The sun came back out, thankfully, and we changed Home Depots. So we're a little bit of a different location. And let's go see if we can find some people who want to make some money. Okay, so right after we got here, I ran aside to go to the bathroom and actually ran into someone who recognized the channel. So I told him to come on over. You wanna make $100?
Oh yeah.
Give it a shot?
Yeah, cool.
So I just bumped in, this is Nick.
Hey.
Inside, he was like, hey man, a fan of the channel. And I was like, I'm gonna piss myself, I gotta keep scooting. So, all right, ready, set, go.
Anything? Oh. 10/16? 17 and 10/16?
No, 17 and 5/8. Come on.
5/8? Oh,
That's,
come on.
That is 10/16.
Ah, hey.
But you were, it was at like 12 seconds, but.
What was the limit? 10?
5.
Oh.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
But because you're a fan of the channel,
Hey, man. What? Definitely subscribe. Absolutely.
awesome to meet you, brother.
Cool. Awesome to meet you too.
You have a good one, my friend.
You too.
Technically 10/16 is 5/8, so he is a winner. Wasn't in the time frame, but we're running out of daylight here and we got some money to give away. You wanna make $100?
25 foot.
It's yours.
Oh, all right.
Now you don't wanna be on video?
I'm not comfortable with that.
Okay, so he was willing, but he doesn't wanna be on video. You wanna make $100? I know too many damn people.
Only if you buy some Milwaukee tools.
I always buy the Milwaukee tools. This is Walter.
Say my name.
We've been friends for a long time. He's gonna try to win $100. I'm just running into too many people. You cool?
Yeah.
Under 5 seconds. Think you can do it?
I should be able to.
You should. That's the whole point here. Most people can read a tape, but like we've been out here all day and we've only had 4.
You want to try $100? I know you can't read the tape. Yep.
Go ahead.
17 and what? Oh my God. 5/8?
Yeah. 8 seconds though.
Yeah, I know.
Bum.
I know.
You bum. I'll still give it to you.
$50? Thanks, Joe.
Good to see you, man. That's so funny. That's the second person today that I knew. Both of them couldn't get it in the time slot though. Jason's gonna be pissed when he sees I gave him the money though.
You didn't give Jason.
I did not give Jason the money. Better vibe so far though. You know, a bunch of guys from Slippery Rock. Nice to meet you. Time route.
I'm gonna embarrass myself.
You ready, set, go. Keep going. Well, no, keep going. You'll see the mark.
Where's the mark? 17 and a half, 17.58.
All right. A little longer than the time slot, but I'll give it to you.
Is that it?
That's it.
17.58?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Everyone's making this so much harder than it needs to be.
Oh.
I think it's solely because of the pressure, huh?
It is the pressure.
You think?
Serious?
Yeah,
Okay.
$100, man.
Thanks.
In 5 seconds?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. My name's John.
Yep, I know who you are. I follow you.
Oh shit. That's funny as hell, man. All right, ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
That is 17 and oh crap. Oh shit. That is 7. No, well, that was bad.
Oh,
17 and that is 7 12s.
7/12, 5/8.
Don't record that.
Ah, you were so close.
That's pressure.
A lot of pressure, huh? It's awesome to meet you.
Would have been nice. No, that's nice to meet you guys.
Yeah,
yeah, good to meet you.
Keep an eye out for the video. I appreciate it, brother. Well, he got it at least. If he would have got it, I would have given it to him.
Yeah, he was close.
Yeah, I think that's hilarious. He's like, we found a couple followers in the Cranberry parking lot.
What's up?
Want to make $100?
Maybe.
Is this some kind of setup or something?
All you gotta do is read a tape. Ready, set, go.
17 and 9/16.
Ooh,
Or you want to go 5/8?
there he is. He still got it. I'll give it to you, brother.
Appreciate it.
But we're running out of daylight here. I gotta be somewhere. It's getting really hot. So let's see if we can find someone to eat up the rest of this 1,000. Hey, excuse me. You wanna make $100?
$100. All right.
You sure?
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
You look like an idiot or something? Well, I'm probably gonna fail, but I'll try it.
Yeah, all right, I like it. You ready?
Okay.
Set, go.
That's 17 and, oh God, 17 and a half inches. That's not right though.
No.
Yeah, I don't know.
17 and 5/8.
5/8.
5/8. You were so close. You're so close.
You threw me off. I didn't know what.
It's not that hard though,
not.
You're right? Everyone thinks I'm trying to get them.
I couldn't calculate it quick enough.
Brad, it's awesome to meet you, man. Thank you. Hey man, you wanna make $100?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
No, you're good? All right, have a good day. Just playing that waiting game. Wanna make $100?
I ain't got time, man.
Because I don't have time to talk, okay? I have to be somewhere.
Don't have time to bullshit around with little old me. Damn, I don't understand. Anybody want easy money? Do we think a Tesla driver can read it? I drive an electric truck.
You just have to read.
Just have to read the tape measure, yeah. All right, you ready?
I'm in.
Set, go.
17 inches, 5/8.
Nailed it. Nailed it. That's all it is. Literally. You should have. No, $100. That's all yours, man.
No shit.
Yeah, dude. Check out my channel. My name's John Malecki.
John the Builder.
We're getting closer. That was a good one. He was awesome. Excuse me, sir. All right. Never mind. What's so funny is people think it's a gimmick. We've got 200 left. 200 left. In about 30 minutes. It's been a long day. We're 5.5 hours we've been out here, I think. It's taken this long. And I mean, how many people do you think I've asked, Joe?
Probably about 30 plus.
Yeah, at least. You wanna make $100?
Okay. All right.
All right, you ready? Yep. Set, go.
Give 1 foot
5.5 inches.
So it's 17 and 5
Oh,
eighths.
7, all right, yeah.
Long guy, right? You're not using the tape too often.
Yeah,
I
no,
saw
I'm
them. I saw the machines back there, and I was like, this guy's working his ass off today. I had high hopes for that. It was interesting. He went 1 foot 5.5. If he would have said 1 foot 5 and 5 eighths, it would have been incredible, and I would have given him the money. You cannot? All you gotta do is read a tape. Like, you're on the clock though.
I'm on the
I got you. I got you. Awesome. I appreciate it. He didn't have the apron. The other guys had the apron. We're so close. Hey man, you wanna make $100?
I'm good.
You good? You sure? Yeah, alrighty. I just want to give money away. Why do I have no friends? All right, so now that I've had time to digest what actually happened here, I walked around the parking lot for like 6+ hours trying to find people to read a tape measure, and I can't believe we only found 8 people that could do it correctly, not to mention only 3 of them did it in the time constraint. As the day got later, I wanted to give some money away, so I was just basically giving the money to anyone who got it right, regardless of how long it took them. The fact that this was so difficult and we got so much pushback was the most ridiculous part of this entire video and has me incredibly confused now, because I don't know if people just can't read tape measures or they're not confident in it, or if that the video and the fact that I'm the giant guy standing in a parking lot offering them money was a complete and utter turnoff. Should we try this again? Should we see our Home Depot shoppers smarter than Lowe shoppers? Maybe throw Ace Hardware in there? Maybe throw something else? I don't know. Let me know. Leave a comment.